Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to show you a butterfly lock tutorial. I am using the Modern Soft Kinky Twist 12-inch locks, and it comes 4 bundles in the package. I also will be using the Bobby Boss butterfly locks, and that is also in the 12-inch, and it is the number 2 that I will be using for both of the hair colors. This is my beautiful client Tiffany, and I am pretty much going to start off by sectioning off her hair, putting it into not too small of a part, but kind of like medium, more on the medium side. And I'm going to take that jam, which I will be using the braid new lock gel that I absolutely love, and I'm just going to start off by parting her hair, making it straight. Then I am going to take it and put it into sections. So I am going to separate it off into 3 sections. Then after I separate it off into the 3 sections, I am going to braid it down. I love to braid down during my butterfly locks due to the fact that when you do like a soft lock look or a butterfly look, you kind of want it braided all the way down. I know some people have horror stories when it comes to getting locks or butterfly locks. People say that they cut out their hair, but when you braid it all the way down, that is the indication of you can know where your hair starts and stops when you take out your locks. And also, I take out locks just in case that you're not able to. I want to make sure that my client's hair is growing, that it is healthy, and that it maintains. So I make sure that I put it in a way where you're able to either take it down yourself, or I can take it down for you. And then pretty much I go ahead and install that butterfly lock from the Bobby Boss New Locks. Then I take the Afro Kinky Twist hair and I wrap it around the braid. And I just keep pretty much going all the way down. And in order to get that butterfly effect, I take my thumb and I push it through the Kinky Twist hair just to make it more of a distressed look, because that is the look that she was going for. So I'm just going to continue doing the same thing all the way up her entire head, and you will see the end results. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Mind you, she is my client in Houston. Since I just moved out here, she definitely booked me, and she absolutely loved her hair, and we definitely have more hairstyles to come. I believe I have to do her hair this upcoming weekend. She wants some Fulani braids, so I'm definitely going to record that. But other than that, if you are in the Houston area, make sure to book me. I am going to leave everything down in the description below. Make sure you just share this video if you need help, or if somebody needs help doing the soft lock butterfly look tutorial. And I will talk to you later, trendsetters, and I love you.
Say a bad from which part? Tell them boy we don't do no big talk. Say we soft cause we call ourselves Christian. That's a mistake, don't forget we serve a big God. Turn a whole heap of people into big sound. They click tight now, we don't want no click large. Some friends me just have to keep a distance, cause the lifestyle that they want me in a trip on. No time for no bad man keep from. And every time we roll, gotta pull up with the Holy Ghost standing next to me, so the enemy see. People are mad cause they wanna doubt God, but he real. Look what the Lord doing for me. Me I give God thanks in a regular speech. Worship to the walls of Jericho Bridge. Reach. Better never be no laugh, we don't take bad. Bible black and they click that. Christians never roll with big God. Demons moving like tricksters. We don't laugh, we don't take bad. My God, me a dependent. Never see Jesus panicking at the big grass. Yo, Christian seek every time you need assurance. really want the Bible for me a sure one. Real life like other people have more guns. They don't tell it when our people get tortured, but still meet in secret like a Mormon. Bad vibes never spoil man, no son. Hard time can never take with a strong one. Rolling with Jesus, we tougher than a North man. We trust friend, but the friend tell big lies. Leave me out in the dark with a big line. Like George, I was swinging off the big vines. But until I Tarzan, we look big size. Bible, keep me warm on a cold night. Put my trust in the word, cause it don't lie. Full wisdom, tryna get my mind right. Now I got me feeling charged up. And every time we roll, gotta pull up with the Holy Ghost standing next to me, so the enemy see. People are mad cause they wanna doubt God, but he real look what the Lord doing for me. Me I give God thanks in a regular speech. Worship till the walls of Jericho preach. Preach. Tell the devil we don't laugh, we don't take bad. Bible clock and it click dash. Christians them are all with big God. Demons moving like tricksters. We don't laugh, we don't take bad. My God, me a dependent. Never see Jesus panicking at the big grass. Tell the devil we don't laugh, we don't take bad. Bible clock and it click dash. Christians them are all with big God. Demons moving like tricksters. We don't laugh, we don't take bad. My God, me a dependent. Never see Jesus panicking at the big grass.
Is that your love? Alright. Feels like I'm dreaming. Yeah. To know that I'm loved by the one who made all the earth and everything in it. Still feels like I'm dreaming. To know I can cast all my cares and burdens on him and he will relieve it. All my life I never seen this type of love before. It's too good for me, too good to believe. And I'm so happy that you came exactly when you did. Yahweh, for holding me down on my way. And everything that you did, I will love you with all of my days. Yahweh, 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 for holding me down on my way. And everything that you did, I will love you with all of my days. Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh.
You're the only one I'm calling when I feel like I'm falling. I can count on you to save me. Oh yeah. Even when I'm doubting, I feel you around me. Your love is like a fountain, I can't get enough. The closer that I get, the more I'm changed. And it's so beautiful. And now I see I'm safe in your embrace. And I want you to know,
Yahweh,
Yahweh,
for holding me down on my way. And everything that you did,
for me.
I will love you with all of my days. Yahweh, 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 for holding me down on my way. And everything that you give to me, I will love you with all of my days. Yahweh, 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 for holding me down all the way. And everything that you give to me, love you with all of my days. Yahweh.
I be going through the most. Y'all be going just to boast. Y'all be going just to toast. Y'all be breaking bread. Yeah, my mama fed. Daddy got on him a robe. It's Brandy when she was with Cole. I'm hanging on side of the boat. I'm tossing the diamond, they finding the rose. You calling me Jackie, I'm feeling like Job. What happens when praying don't cope? What happens when saying I'm cold? Maybe I'm Anna and Elsa, maybe I'm froze. Maybe the daily is prose, maybe it's murder she wrote. It's killing me. I'm feeling the enemy more than the Trinity. This ain't for sympathy.
Yeah. Now I'm riding out that song to you, oh God. Father, show me your heart, does it one more time. Let my prayer rise to you, Lord, hear my cry. Give me faith to shoot these arrows in the dark.
I got me some enemies. They walking and talking like mommy. I'm trying to remind them the time is a runner. Shakara, my fear is near and it's gonna for me. Trigger finger, K-Spade, Bourdain, Robin Williams, it's a wonder to be alive. Hard is the way to life. Maybe cause we got a vice. Maybe cause we got a vibe. When it's time to die, every single night, I don't gotta get high. All I gotta do is swipe. Mine is a busybody, mine floating like a kite. I'ma grab it from the sky. Ask my daddy if he has it, can he make it happy, can he make it light? Abba, can you make it right? I don't wanna take his life, but it's telling me to go with it. Don't control it, just roll with it. Mind broken, just fix it, it's twisted. My soul did it, and that trauma from mama, I know in it. Abba, Bible, and Yebelist goes. My mind is a rebel, it goes. The devil is testing us, hold. The blessed is next to the chest till it knows. The reverence hope, I know it's a hope.